This week in AI, the industry pushed boundaries with 3 groundbreaking developments. A system that breathes life into static photos, creating realistic human videos, a massive platform offering 500,000 AI projects accessible to everyone, and an intelligent research agent that can produce analyst-level reports in minutes instead of hours.
Welcome to Traffic's 3 Weekly Roundup, where we bring you the latest in tech news in just 3 minutes. Let's dive right in.
From imagination meets technology comes an incredible breakthrough. Imagine turning a single photo into a living, breathing video. That's exactly what OmniHuman is doing, an incredible AI model that can transform static images into realistic human videos. Whether it's a portrait, a snapshot, or even a cartoon character, this technology can make them sing, talk, and move with astonishing realism. From singing to speaking, the model captures nuanced movements, creating lifelike performances that blur the line between AI generation and reality. Expanding the frontiers of AI access, Hugging Face Spaces is revolutionizing AI accessibility with a platform hosting 500,000 AI projects. Imagine having access to cutting-edge tools without needing powerful hardware. Users get 5 minutes of free daily GPU time to explore everything from image generation to 3D modeling, with categories spanning text generation, language translation, and even complex modeling. This platform puts powerful AI tools at everyone's fingertips. Whether you're a researcher, creator, or curious enthusiast, Hugging Face Spaces offers a playground of technological innovation. From creating content to accessing tools, now we're empowering researchers with OpenAI's Deep Research Agent is taking AI-powered research to unprecedented heights. This sophisticated tool can dive deep into the internet, analyzing complex information and producing comprehensive reports in just minutes. Designed for intensive knowledge work in fields like finance, science, and engineering, it can crawl through hundreds of sources, including websites, PDFs, and images. With the ability to create visualizations, reason through search results, and provide detailed insights, this research agent is like having a world-class analyst working 24/7. Currently available to pro users, it promises to transform how we approach information gathering and analysis. Okay, that's it for this week's Roundup. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you next time. Bye-bye.